goosebumps. This is what we've been working on.
Is it funny?
The roller coaster of emotions starts.
It was one of the most serious investigations that I've been involved in.
I think the parents down there are some of the strongest I've ever met.
How did it state that this guy gets so big?
It should feel good, and that's my hope when they walk into the space.
First time you've been excited since you got here.
I'm 100% ready to meet somebody.
I want to get that date.
Are you worried about whether you're ready?
Am I almost crying at this?
Oh, God,
Yeah.
that's brilliant.
In my view, these are lives that need not have been lost.
He must be protected here.
Let's find out how many more lives you put at risk.
This might well be their day.
We're doing great until you kicked me in the face.
I kicked her in the face.
Oh, wow.
Who announced this? It's a leak.
You want to be made of stone not to get excited about that.
I can't wait